Okay, I'm gonna give an update of what I've been doing since the last video. I already put the whole floor. Now, all I did is I cut just one. I left this one for last because I knew it was gonna be a little difficult and I needed to cut it. So the other ones I just lay them down. They're 8 by 4 feet, 8 feet wide, 8 feet long. So all I did is put the one, the second one, the other one, the other one, the other one. And then this one I had to cut. It's going under the table. Now everything under the table you won't see because I'm gonna put drawers or shelf or whatever comes to my mind. So there, you can do whatever you want. Yeah. Okay. I had a hard time, but now we're gonna nail it. What I did to the whole floor, just nail it with the nail gun. 1/4 inch nail, brat nail, 18 gauge. I got this Ryobi nailer. Whatever you have is good. I don't want to use screws, but because I'm gonna step on it. And these cardboards, they're thin, so you don't have enough to go down with the nails. So with the screws, with nails, they're good enough. So what I do is put one on one side, one on the other side on the same spot. I'm gonna have to put enough so it holds it down, so the cardboard doesn't come up. This is like a hardboard. I mean, I don't know what the material, but it's like a cardboard, hard cardboard. I'd rather use pine, but it's more expensive. This little space here, this is about maybe 20 by maybe 22 by 20. It was gonna cost a lot of money. At least, and what expensive today? It's too expensive. At least maybe $450 just for this floor. So that's too much. So this cardboard costs $14. Can't beat that. So I'll be back. Watch the video until the end so you can see the finished project. If not, just hit forward and you can go ahead and watch it right away. So, see ya. Don't forget to subscribe. Bonjour. Part 3. If you haven't watched part 1, part 2, I recommend it to watch it and then watch this one. On this part 3, we're gonna show you a trick. I don't know if you can see it. See the line. You see the line there? And down here it goes away. And this is what I did. This is what I did. I use this material. It's called Alex Plus Sparkling. It's mostly for drywall, but it says you can use it for wood. Now this is not wood, this is cardboard. But you can see it works. When I use these, I'm gonna be painting. I'm gonna use primer first, maybe 2 coat. After I do this, I gotta let it dry for at least one or 5 hours before I paint. So I'll be doing that. I'm gonna paste a little bit on your spatula. Put it there. That line. Now, don't take away too much. Just check the tape enough off. So when you sand it, the hole goes away. Now, the instruction recommended 2 coats when it's a deep hole. So, I mean, this line wasn't that deep, but at least with 2 coats. Okay, and this is what we got progress. I got this whole wall here. This one I gotta wait. I put that putty. So I gotta wait until it dries so I can sand it. And then we got this wall here, and then this wall here. Okay. Gotta buy more material to get it done. Get that side done. Side here. And paint it and get done. So I'll be right back. Finally, back to the project. Remodeling my workshop, part 3. Finally, we came back after a few weeks. I had to stop to finish some other projects, but now we're going back to the workshop. Now, today we're going to be doing a few more things. It's going to be the trim finish. There'll be one trim here at the bottom, one on top, one there, and one on the bottom, to give a style and hide all the imperfections. So let me show you. I set up the machine 45 degrees angle, 45-degree angle. Okay. So you can see the blade. I'm gonna cut on some areas because I'm gonna do a trim. I don't know if you can see the line. It's hard to see. Anyway, I'm gonna do a trim on that wall right in the middle. So I want to do the 45-degree cut on both sides of the plank wood, and then just one side for the top and the bottom. You'll see what I mean. You can see the cut, the diamond cut I call it. So it's gonna be one trim there at the bottom, and then the top. This one I gotta cut it to size there. So I'll be back. I'm gonna do another one. I'll be back. Okay, this is the way it's supposed to look. On this side, same thing on this side here, and then on the other wall, you gotta continue all the way down. Now, I don't know if you see that line. I'm gonna put one there. Same thing over here. All the way down. So I can give it a nice style. Now on the floor, see it on there? So I can cover that defects. I'm gonna do the same thing. Let me see if I can show you the diamond design. See it right there? So like that, you give it a nice, smooth cut. And I'm gonna be painting those lime color. Same color as the Ryobi tools. See, they all look lime. So I already got the paint. I just put them there for now, so you can see how it looks. I'm gonna paint them and then nail it. Or screw it. I'm gonna use screws. And I will see you when it's done. Bye. Hello, an update on my remodeling my workshop video part 3. This is an update. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the difference. Ooh la la, les bonjour, parlez. It's looking good, I like it. Now, you gotta make a door here. Sliding door there. Another sliding door here. It's a mess because I still gotta clean all this mess. But I need a bigger sliding door here. And the entrance. And I gotta clean that mess, so it took a long time. I didn't know it was gonna become like a big project, but you can see it was worth it. Gotta finish some details. I ran out of material, so I'll finish these details here, and then, in other words, I'm gonna call it done. So I'm gonna make some drawers, not for every spot here. I got an idea here, because every time I cut with the miter saw, there's dust collected here. So what I want to do is make it like a lid. A piece of the same plywood, like a lid that I can lift up. And there's going to be a bag. So I lift it up, blow the dust from this side, boom, and throw all the dust in there. So then I don't have to sweep the whole floor. That's an idea for the future. And then I'm going to do some drawers and some shelf. Down here, some drawers, some shelf. So stay tuned for those future videos to upgrade my workshop. There's a few things I gotta paint. Like I'm talking about painting this beam white and this post green, so I can match the white and green. I might leave these door frame wood and this brown here because I like the way it looks. I don't know about you. Give me an opinion. Write in the comments how you like it. I know I like that brown and white, brown and green together. But give me a comment. Maybe you like it, maybe not. But look at this. This is what I joined the two walls. still see a little line, but at least, you know, far away you don't see it that much. So this is the end of the remodeling my workshop. When I do some upgrades, I'll be making more videos, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button and you'll be getting these new videos. Don't lose them, so keep updated. See ya in the next video.